Hey guys, welcome back. Today we are going to make popsicles. As you can see, we are making them with these few fruits you are seeing here. I'm using Greek yogurt, I'm using watermelon, I'm using bananas, apple, and yeah, that's basically all. I've just prepped them, and here is the popsicle mold and the stick I'm going to use to freeze them. So I'm just going to put all of them inside the blender and blend them till they are smooth. So after that, I'm going to pour them into this popsicle mold. I'm scooping in the yogurt just to make that layer effect. When it's frozen or when it's freezed, you will see what I mean, to make that white and color blend effect. So I chopped some watermelon inside also. So after that, I'm just going to cover them and pop the stick inside so that it will be easier for me to pull out when it's frozen. So I made this at night, so I'll leave it in the freezer too, so that it will get really frozen. So this is the next morning. It's well frozen. So I'm just going to pull some out, some that I'm going to eat or lick now. And this tasted so good. There's no artificial in here. It's all made with Greek yogurt, watermelon, and bananas and apple. You can recreate yours with any fruit of your choice. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you have not, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.